Hey guys, I got the tire for the Kraton 8S. It took about a week to come in. I'm also going to be programming the ESC for better braking. So let's get started. All right, so here's the wrench or whatever you want to call it to take the tire off. It's a 24 hex. It's huge. Wasn't that tight. I've had them off already. All right. See, when I ran into the pole, I don't know if you can see all the cracks right there. It's like cracked all over the place. And cracks inside. I hit the pole pretty good. Alright, and then the new one. Put the old one underneath. So you can keep that arm up a bit. And just aligning it. There we go. Let's put this screw back on. Get it nice, snug, tight. There you go. Like that. It's back on there. Hopefully I don't break this one. Alright, so I was either doing something wrong or it just wasn't liking me. But the way to do it, to change the ESC, is you have to have that on, the transmitter. And then you hold the set button right there. Okay, and that green light flashes. And then you gotta hold it for 3 seconds. So that's option 1. So we want to go to option 5. So 2, 3, 4. So you want to hold it for another 3 seconds. So there, those 3 beeps are option 3 for, well, brake set in 3. And that's at 50%, I believe. Yeah, 50%. For some reason, it wasn't letting me do it, like I said earlier. So to save it, you hold it. And that's saved. And then you just turn it off. And then when you turn it back on, all your settings will be saved. And then you're good to go with better braking, hopefully. All right, well, that's it for now. So hopefully tomorrow's a better day. And if it is, then I'll be recording a video. Talk to you later.